Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a back to school emergency kit for girls, and there are some feminine products in here, so that's why I'm titling it for girls. And I'm a girl. This is just stuff that I would bring to middle school and high school. And if there are guys watching this, you can bring any of these things as well. But like I said, there are gonna be some feminine products, so that's why I'm titling it for girls. So anyway, let's just get started with this video. So I just have everything in this duffel bag, and I actually got this from VidCon. I personally did not bring like a duffel bag like this to school, but if you have a locker and you just want to bring all of your essentials in a duffel bag or a small little bag and just put it in your locker, I think that's great. So first thing is actually not in here because I have it like on the floor right here, but I would recommend bringing water. Obviously this isn't just for girls, but everyone should bring water to school because there were so many people in high school who didn't bring water to school. They would just forget every single day to bring a water bottle, and I'm like, how? You know, you gotta stay hydrated. You could also bring a reusable water bottle. That's what most people did. Sorry, I'm using a plastic water bottle, don't hate me, okay? So next are earbuds, and I highly recommend bringing these because I was able to listen to music so much during senior year and also during other years of high school as well, but especially senior year we had a lot of independent work time in some of my classes. Next are pads. You definitely need these, or tampons if you're a teenage girl who has their period. I got my period late in high school, I'm not gonna lie, but I needed these. Next I have a snack. I highly recommend bringing a snack to school. We had a break in the morning between second and third period, and I was always hungry because by that time I was already at school for like 2 hours. So next is deodorant. I would recommend bringing a mini deodorant. If you have a locker, you could just put it in there, or you could just keep it in your backpack. I had a dance locker because I had dance class every single day, and I kept a deodorant in my locker. I don't have one right now, but I would recommend bringing a mini perfume to school as well, just so you smell good throughout the day. You don't really need this, but this is a mini lint roller. You could just put this in your locker. You could also just keep this in your car if you're old enough to drive, or if you drive to school. Mints. Everyone asked me for mints in high school. I love icebreakers. They are just amazing. Next is a mirror, and you could also just put this in your locker. This might seem kind of weird, but I highly recommend bringing band-aids to school because if you're clumsy like me, you will need these. These actually came in handy, not gonna lie. Next is a lip balm, and I like the EOS lip balm. I really like the mint one. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next is a portable charger, and I actually got this for free in my P.O. box. By the way, I am closing my P.O. box, so that's why it hasn't been in the description boxes of my videos. I just don't get enough mail in my P.O. box, so I am closing it. If you see it in old description boxes of my videos, please don't send mail to that address. I am closing it. I did get this in my P.O. box months ago. I showed it in a vlog, and this is not sponsored. This company just wanted to send me these. So this is a pineapple portable charger, and then I also have a pink pig portable charger, and it's so cute. And also with this, you're going to need a phone charger. A lot of people brought phone chargers to school and portable chargers. For the most part, my teachers didn't really mind if we charged our phone during class, as long as you're not using it. But you could just plug this in and then put it in your backpack, and then your teacher wouldn't notice. Next is essential. Like, you need this. This is hand sanitizer. This is Georgia Peach hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. I really, really like it. And you definitely don't want to get sick at school. It sucks. I also have some lotion. During the winter time, or when the seasons were changing, my hands, they still do this, they get really dry, so I would seriously just moisturize in the middle of class. You think I'm kidding. And lastly, a pack of hair ties. I used to just bring one or two, but honestly, I would lose them. So I just recommend getting a full pack like this, putting them in your locker or your backpack. I actually didn't have a locker in school, I just had a dance locker. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and if you have any other back to school video requests, then comment those down below. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person on the screen. If you guys want to shout out my next video, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on those post notifications. That is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Why does my voice crack? Video! Like, same, like I'm 18, like why does my voice sound like this? I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you.